Life is not always fair. Sometimes it feels like everything is falling apart, like nothing is working the way you planned. You try again and again, but the results never seem to come. And in those moments, you start to question yourself. Maybe I'm not good enough. But listen carefully, and you are not failing, you are growing. Every challenge, every mistake, every sleepless night is shaping you into someone stronger, wiser, and braver than before. The truth is, success doesn't come overnight. It comes to those who keep trying, even when no one believes in them. You have to believe in your dream when it feels impossible, because that's when most people give up. And that's exactly when you must not. The pain you feel today will become the strength you'll need tomorrow. Every single step you take, even the smallest one, is moving you closer to your goal. Remember, your story is not over yet. You still have time to change everything. You can start again. You can rebuild. You can rise from the ashes. The world might doubt you, laugh at you, or ignore you. But none of that matters. What matters is that you don't stop. You keep going, no matter how slow, no matter how hard. Because one day, all those nights you spent fighting for your dream will make sense. One day, you'll look back and say, I did it. You'll realize that every tear, every failure, every setback was worth it. So don't give up now. Keep believing, keep pushing, and keep moving forward. Your time is coming, and when it does, the world will finally see the power of someone who never gave up.